What's up, everybody? It's your man Gillis the Kid. I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to be showing you the Apple TV in 4K. The main difference between this streaming device and the other ones is that it supports 4K HDR. We're going to look at it in a second, but right here on the back, you can see it right there. It has support for HD, 4K, HDR, and Dolby Vision video. This is a 32 gig. I do have a 64 gig on its way because I like to stream a lot of games and videos. And now you can see right here, it supports Amazon Prime Video, which it didn't used to before. It also has Netflix, Hulu, Apple Music, ESPN, just to name a few. And we're going to take a look at this. All right, this is what it looks like. It looks just like the first one. It also has a vent on the bottom so it won't overheat. And then on the back, you got your power outlet and your HDMI outlet. It also has an gigabit Ethernet outlet right here. And that's pretty much it. That's all you get. It sits just like this. Apple, they don't give you an HDMI cord in the box, so you will have to buy your own. I have mine right here. This is what it looks like. Just a basic HDMI power cord. This is the remote. Let's take a look at this. Now, right here at the top, this is the trackpad. The main difference with this remote is that it has a white ring around the menu button. So you can feel it. It feels different from the other ones when you touch it. This is the TV button. You can also double click it to open up apps. I'm gonna have a video where I actually set it up and show you the iOS and everything. This is the mic, the play and pause button, and then you have the volume up and down. But like I said, this is the trackpad right here at the top. You got your Apple logo right there. Let's see what else they give you here in the box. Oh, this is the power cord. You're gonna need that. And they also have like your Apple. You got your guide. And then you have your lightning cable right there. Just the basic stuff they give you. Now, I'm going to be telling you a couple of things that I do like and a couple of things that I don't like. First and foremost, this streaming device, it costs $180. Now, I got mine through DirecTV Now. It was $160, and they give you the first 3 months for $10, and then after that is $40 a month, but you get a lot of channels, so that's pretty good. Now, the first Apple TV, it was limited to 1080p, and you know, it just didn't have a lot of stuff. It didn't have Amazon Prime Video. It didn't have a couple of other apps that it has right now. But one of the things I do like with this, you know, it works perfectly fine with a lot of other Apple products. If you have any existing iTunes movies that you purchased, it will be upgraded to 4K for free. So that is a major go. I really like that. It has the A10 chip inside of it. It's the same chip that the iPad Pro has. So it's not going to have any problem running games or multiple apps open at once because it has the processing power of a computer. The one thing I don't like about this, it has no 4K support for YouTube, Disney, or Marvel movies. So that kind of sucks, but I'm guessing Apple will release another update later in the future for that. It doesn't have any support for Dolby Atmos, but a lot of people, you know, they don't even have those type of surround sound systems now. So maybe in the future, you know, they'll have some more support for it. So in the TV world, there's a couple of terms that I want to go over. Now, first off, there's HD, and that's 720p or 1080p video. Then you have 4K, that's the next bump up in resolution. It's 4 times the number of pixels as HD. And then you have HDR, which stands for High Dynamic Range. HDR TVs can display a much wider range of brightness. And then there's, you know, standard dynamic range, which most TVs have right now. Then there's HDR10. A lot of Samsung TVs support that. Then there's Dolby Vision. So Dolby Vision is like the future now. A lot of TVs are incorporating Dolby Vision in their TV sets, and it's Dolby's system, and it costs money to license. It's supported by Apple, LG, VZO, TCL, and some of the Sony Bravio TVs, which are amazing. If you see a Sony Bravio TV, definitely check that out. But Dolby Vision, it looks way better than HDR10, and it looks better than 4K. But I'm just sad that YouTube and the Marvel movies are not going to be displayed right now in 4K, because, you know, that's one of the reasons why you know, I like Netflix and stuff like that, because they have all the Marvel movies. But that's basically all the TV terms to it. Like I said, I got this from DirecTV for about $160. You're basically paying for the service for a couple of months, and then they give you the Apple TV for free. But I just wanted to show you guys, you know, everything. I'm gonna drop the rest down into the description, and then I'm gonna have another video of how to set this thing up, and then I'll show you exactly how the operating system works. Apple calls it Apple TV, and this is the way of the future. I truly believe that Apple is going to have like their own TV streaming service pretty soon, so we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see what they do. But that's all I got for now, and if you have any other questions, drop them down in the comments below. My name is Gillis the Kid. I want to thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.